Hey, what's up guys? My name is Daniel Lopez with Invest in You Finance, and today we are going to be talking about the Webull account for this channel. In this video, we are going to be going over the progress of the account, and I'm going to show you guys inside the account so we can see the account details and the balance of what it's currently at. The account is at an all-time high. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm investing $5 every day and buying Vanguard's VOO ETF. The reason I'm doing this is to prove that investing is not complicated and that anyone can do it with as little as $5 per day. In previous videos, I said that if I received any dividends from the stocks I'm currently holding, I'm going to be reinvesting those dividends. So in this video, I'm also going to show you guys how to make a deposit as well as how to purchase Vanguard's VOO ETF. Let's go ahead and jump into the account and see how the Webull account is doing. I'm going to pull it up here with my cell phone. That way we can see it, and we're just going to be doing it basically live. Whatever I can see with my cell phone, you guys will be able to see it as well. So let's get into it, guys. Okay, so here is the Webull application on my cell phone, and we're going to go into the account and see how it's doing. First, I'm going to go to feeds, then I'm going to select my individual account. As you guys can see, the account value is $2,724.88. I believe this is the highest the account has been since I opened the account on August 25th of this year, 2022. Here are the positions that I have in the account. I have Apple, I have Vanguard VOO, Gap, Snap, Ford, Coca-Cola, Terra Resources, Genworth Financial, UW Holdings, Kraft Heinz, Procter Gamble, CEMEX, and I have $5 of Bitcoin. So this is what the account has. The majority of the shares are in Apple because with Webull, if you guys are interested in signing up, in the link in the description below, you can get up to $3,000 in free shares by depositing any amount, up to 12 free fractional shares. So if you sign up, you can get your own referral link. And if someone signs up with your referral link, then they will give you free shares for them signing up, as well as that person will get free shares. So people have signed up with my referral link, and this is how I've been able to receive these free stocks from Webull, in addition to the Vanguard VOO that I'm buying. So let's go ahead and see in the account what dividends the account has given me. I've switched it over to the profit and loss view. Here is the profit and loss for the account. And if I scroll down under profit loss components year to date, there is a dividend section. So far, this account has received $4.13 in dividends from my portfolio. So let's click that. These are the dividend stocks that I own inside my account. Apple gives me a dividend. Gap gives me a dividend. UW Holdings gives me a dividend as well. Vanguard also gives a dividend, and Coca-Cola gives a dividend. Now, I said in my previous videos, whenever I get dividends, I am going to be reinvesting that into Vanguard VOO. Unfortunately, with Webull, they do not do automatic dividend reinvestments. But on a positive note, you can buy fractional shares with Webull. And by buying fractional shares, this allows you to buy a minimum of $5 on any stock or ETF that you want to purchase. Because I don't have $5, I can't buy Vanguard's VOO, which is going to lead us into the next thing that we're going to do. I'm going to be depositing the difference to make up $5 here. Let's go back into the homepage of the account, and I'm going to click on the account again, individual account. Then I'm going to go to transfers here at the very top. Here is my automatic monthly deposit of $105. I'm doing $105 because $105 allows me to invest $5 every day. There are 250 trading days per year. If you have a scheduled monthly amount, it'll be under the transfers tab. Here are my deposits. When I first opened up my account, I opened it up with $100. But if you want to open up an account, you can open up with any amount and they will still give you free shares. I am just going to make a deposit of 87 cents. So that way I have a total of $5 and I can buy Vanguard's VOO, just buy $5, which is the minimum. And the reason I want to do this is because I want to show you guys how to make a deposit. Let's go ahead and click on deposit. And I'm just going to click that I want to deposit 87 cents. By depositing 87 cents plus the $4.13, I'll have a total of $5. So let's go ahead and click transfer to Webull. Okay. It's basically telling you that to make sure you have this money in your checking account. Otherwise, you're going to get a fee if they try and pull the money out and you do not have that money available. So I'm going to deposit the 87 cents and confirm this deposit. Now that we have the deposit in place, see how much buying power I have. I have $69.13 of buying power available. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, knowing that that money is going to be deposit the 87 cents, I'm just going to go ahead and buy $5 of Vanguard's VOO. And the way to do that is to go back to the home screen, then type up here in the search area, VOO. So this is Vanguard's VOO. And the reason I'm buying it is because it's a very good ETF that basically tracks the S&P 500 and will give you around a 7 to 10% annual rate of return. And Vanguard gives you a 2% dividend annually paid out every quarter. So Vanguard has Google, Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Tesla. It has all the top stocks that are in the S&P 500. So I think, like Warren Buffett says, if you just invest in the S&P 500, your account will grow. And if it simply just tracks the market, your account is going to grow on average 7 to 10%. Why not take the advice from a billionaire? So I like Vanguard's VOO. I like the funds that are inside. I made a video showing exactly what's inside Vanguard's VOO. So if you want to go check that video out, check it out. I'm going to go ahead and buy Vanguard's VOO. Okay, so I'm going to click on trade and I'm going to click on order type, which is going to be market. Buy fractional shares start as little as $5. Go ahead and click on market. And then on the amount in where it says share, I'm going to click that. I clicked it and it changed to USD, meaning how much money am I going to pay in dollars? Well, I'm going to buy $5 and the time in force is going to be during the day. I'm going to go ahead and click buy. I just want to go ahead and buy an additional share to what I'm already buying. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And that is how you buy a share of Vanguard's VOO. I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm just simply sharing my account details with you guys so you can see how I invest my money. Please contact your professionals, your CPAs, your tax advisors, and things like that. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I want to say thank you guys for joining me on this video and exploring the account. I'm going to give account updates every so often whenever the account reaches new levels. I believe this is the highest the account has been. Thank you for coming in and watching the video. Anyone can invest with Webull. The minimum amount to open the account is 1 penny. The minimum amount to buy any shares is $5. And I think that anyone can do it. You don't have to invest $105 a month. If you invest anything, you can calculate how much money you will have over time by simply using a compound interest calculator. I've shown the compound interest calculator in other videos, and you guys can just Google compound interest calculator. You can figure out within your budget how much you want to invest. And if you invest any amount, the amount will grow over time at a rate of around 7 to 10% if you just buy a simple S&P 500 index fund. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'm just trying to share my knowledge, financial education, and financial literacy. So that way, hopefully I can help you guys grow and learn just like I did. It took me years to learn everything that I'm sharing. Thank you guys for coming. Peace.